Okay, today we got in an Amazon box. And these have the decals kind of scrunched in. These are the decals for the cold skin, whatever, yellow skin. It's from the seller is Mighty Skins or Vision something. It's for the DJI Cold One is the brand name of this one. And we're going to put this on my Mavic Pro and see what happens. Okay, the Mavic Pro is this little guy. And there are no instructions on how this is supposed to go on. But I would presume that goes on there, this goes on the controller, and these probably go on the arms and down on the sides. So we're going to find out here how this stuff fits. There are no instructions that came with this. What you see is what you get, just a sheet of vinyl that can peel off and stick on. It is not extra protection for the drone. It is just to make it look different, make it stand out, perhaps make it easier to see up in the sky. Okay, there was no instructions on how to prepare the surface. It appears that each piece is cut separately. Wrinkled. Like I said, there were no surface preparation instructions to go with it. It appears that the battery wrap has to go on separately. Line up the 4 holes. It only comes with one battery wrap. Battery decal. So if you're like me where you got multiple batteries, then this becomes a question. So like I said, first time I've done this. I've not done this before, no practice runs because you only get one set of decals. So that's what we got so far. Down to the light. I think I'm going to pause this and put the rest of them on, and I'll start up again after I get a few more of them done. Okay, so far I've put some on the back and on the sides, so we're still working on it. Looks like they did a pretty good job of cutting the parts to go around the different sides and so forth. But there are some gaps. We'll see what happens when we finish. Okay, they got the little extra pieces on the side. There's a lot of little pieces here, no instructions. So they are covering the arms. Got a little bit of a wrinkle there that you gotta be pretty careful when you put these down. Like I said, no instructions. I'm just guessing at it. A word of note, if you're gonna do Wi-Fi control and you gotta be able to do that barcode on there, you better scan that barcode before you go sticking the decals on, because it's gonna cover it up. So we're doing another arm over on the other side, and looks like this lines up to fit right here around the light. And then line it up down here. No decal on this side. So we're going to keep going. We're coming along and still working on it. We're getting closer. Got a little bit more left to go. Okay. Looks like we've put in the best I can. Not perfect. You can still see the seams. Maybe I just didn't know how to put it on right. But it's yellow on the bottom, and you can't do anything here because you got the sensors. This is all heat sink. This is a light on the back. There's two pieces I had left that were this shape that probably were intended to go here and here, but I couldn't figure out which way they were intended to line up. So did they go just stick on? That doesn't look like it fits right. So not really sure what the story is. Anyway, got it on. I'm not going to put the radio control skin on it, but you know, that's a little bit yellow from the bottom. I may readjust some of the wrinkles where it didn't quite go on perfectly smooth. But anyway, it does cover up the DJI logo on the back. It covers up anything that's on the front. But it does look a bit different. I just wish they had better instructions to come with this to explain how to do it, any special surface prep, whatever. Like I said, I've got some gaps, you know, here and whatever. It only comes with one battery, so when you change out batteries, you'll have a plain gray one again. And then it's going to look like that, minus the stickers I have on here with my name and phone number on it. But and I label my own batteries. So you have one cool looking battery that makes it look complete when you're flying, but be a little bit brighter. I don't know if it'd be any easier to spot from the sky. You can still see the little gold stripes from the Mavic Pro showing up there. I don't know. Is it worth $15 to do that? You be the judge. I know some of the other colors and skins by other sellers are $25. So what's it worth to you to have a different looking drone? Oh, I went ahead and put some of the stickers on the controller. There's one that covers up this area too. But I don't know. I think I'm going to leave mine plain. So what do you think? Anyway, that's my review, and we'll see how well it holds up.